learn how to say the time in Spanish. So, to say the time, we use the verb ser, okay? So, es la una, son las dos, son las tres, okay? So, we use the singular for 1 o'clock and the rest, son. So, we'll start with the clock. Es la una en punto, okay? It's 1 o'clock. And we use that for every single hour. So, son las dos en punto. Son las tres en punto. Okay? Then, to say quarter past, we say y cuarto. Es la una y cuarto. Son las dos y cuarto. Okay? Let's talk about 3:30. Son las 3:30. Okay, so 3:30. Let's move to 3:45, for example. So 3:45, we would say las 4:45. Okay, we say menos cuarto. So we can also use y. So son las 2:05. Son las 2:10. Son las 2:15. Okay, so 2:05, 2:10, okay? 2:15, okay? We can even say son las 2:30 or son las 2:30, meaning 2:30. And then we can also say menos. Son las 3:05 means 5 to 3. Son las 4:10, 10 to 4. Okay? So I hope you have understood how to tell the time in Spanish. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments down below. And I have made a PDF for you, okay, with a summary of telling the time and with clocks and everything. So if you want to get it, the link is down below, okay? Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!